kunzima guys ukuba uNozipho lapha esethi uyacelebrate nje ukuthi hayi ke emnyeni wami sikhulelwe ukhumo uthi hey sisi mina ngine medical condition engenza ukuthi ngingatholi abantwana so umntwana kabani lo kuyacaca guys ukuthi umntwana ke okadali so asazi ukuthi ke kuzokwenzekalani ngale relationship kaNozipho kanye ke nokhumo. Hello everyone, welcome back to Side Life and thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 31st of March to the 4th of April 2025 on Monday. Sam is once again caught in a lie. Ayanda is devastated by Lucy's revelation. Nozipho confront her husband and get a major shock on Tuesday. Lucy doesn't know how to handle her new friend. Tau's coldness cut deep. Pele gets a warning that chills him to the bone on Wednesday. Gia gives good as she gets. Paul believes his girl deserves better. Kumo presents his wife with an impossible choice on Thursday. Nozipho's nightmare goes from bad to worse. Sam Gelos isn't happy to receive a visit from a cop. Jack once figured it to be his eyes and ears on Friday. Meloguhle decide to reach for her dreams. Ayanda offhand comment hits a nerve for Pele. Is Lucy starting to fall for a young man's charm? Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Kunzima guys ukuba